Here's a list of the top 20 free AI text-to-video tools that I've tried, tested, and narrowed down for you. These tools make it easy to turn text into video. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this list covers options from super easy to more advanced, helping you find exactly what fits your needs, all at no cost. Dive in and discover how these tools can level up your content creation game. Pictory is a standout for converting blog content into video snippets. Its AI automates scene selection and captioning, which is perfect for social media managers and content marketers who want to repurpose long-form text into engaging video clips. Synthesia ideal for business videos. Synthesia offers lifelike AI avatars in various languages. It's a top choice for professional training and instructional content, with the ability to customize avatars and voiceovers in over 120 languages. Veed.io. Number 3 is Veed.io is highly user-friendly with drag-and-drop functionality, making it easy to convert text to video with minimal configuration. It's especially useful for podcasters and YouTubers who want auto-captioning and real-time collaboration features. Lumen 5. Focused on social media marketing, Lumen 5 is well regarded for turning blog posts into high-impact video content. Its library of templates and stock media is excellent for marketers who want to boost brand engagement. Invideo's vast template library and beginner-friendly interface make it a favorite among social media managers. It includes scene transitions, overlays, and voiceovers, tailored for short marketing videos. FlexClip offers straightforward AI video generation with access to a large asset library. It's a versatile tool for social media, explainer videos, and simple marketing content, available on a free plan. Wave.video. An all-in-one video editor, Wave.video includes a stock footage library, music tracks, and text overlays. It's great for small businesses creating ads, email marketing videos, and short-form content for social platforms. Eli.io. Eli is known for its advanced voice cloning and URL-to-video conversion. This feature is ideal for content marketers wanting to create videos from blog posts or articles directly. DeepBrain AI is an intuitive text-to-video tool that creates realistic AI avatars for training or promotional videos. It's quick to use, allowing content creators to transform scripts into videos within minutes. Steve.ai. Steve.ai is popular for its animation capabilities, making it perfect for converting text into animated or live-action videos. It also supports podcast-to-video conversion, which is great for cross-channel content creators. Unscript AI. Designed for consistent branding, Unscript AI automates video production with customizable avatars and templates, perfect for corporate communication and content marketing. Capwing. Known for collaborative editing, Capwing allows multiple users to work on a project simultaneously, making it a good choice for team projects and social media memes. Visual AI. This new tool offers text and image-based video creation with an intuitive interface, good for creators seeking an easy way to produce videos from ideas. Animoto provides a storyboard-style editor, ideal for creating branded slideshow videos. Its drag-and-drop functionality makes it a go-to for small business owners and social media marketers. Runway offers a suite of advanced editing tools, including text-to-video features, ideal for those looking to dive into more creative and complex projects. Fleeky creates videos with AI-generated voiceovers, focusing on easy language customization, which is valuable for global brands targeting different demographics. HeyGen specializes in AI avatar-driven videos, making it suitable for corporate or training videos. It also offers background customization and multilingual support. Descript, known for audio-based projects, Descript includes video editing with text overlays and automated transcription. It's a good option for podcasters and YouTubers. Rephrase.ai provides AI avatars and voiceovers tailored for professional corporate videos. The tool's customization options suit detailed training and explainer content. Colossian generates videos using realistic avatars with customizable backgrounds, ideal for educational or training videos needing a professional tone. These AI text-to-video tools offer everything from basic captioning to sophisticated avatar customization, making them useful for marketers, educators, and social media managers. As these tools evolve, they provide creators with the power to transform written content into captivating visual experiences with ease. That's it for today. I hope you're excited to try out these free AI art tools and see what amazing videos you can create. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more AI tips and tutorials. I'll be sharing more guides and ideas soon, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!